The TB15 Plus is our most powerful model in our small format. It has an MK2 chuck as standard and has a continuous drilling capacity of 1/4 meter in a non-alloy brick such as E. It is also available as a saw machine, i.e. SB15. A powerful and maintenance-free AC motor is installed as the drive. The working area of the TB15 Plus is efficiently illuminated by LEDs fitted as standard. The control panel can be used to set important parameters such as the speed and acid targets. The integrated OLED display clearly shows you the current settings and operating statuses. At the touch of a button, you can choose between drilling and tapping mode, which you can then program intuitively. Using the drilling depth stop, we can easily and ergonomically set the planned drilling depth and thus limit the stroke. The height of the table can be adjusted very precisely and ergonomically using the hand crank on the machine table. We offer you maximum work safety as standard with drilling protection with electrical fuse and an emergency stop impact tester that can be reached at any time. You can also activate a spindle stop function to safely stop the drilling process. If you opt for the TB15 Plus, we will grant you a full 3-year guarantee. All further information and technical data on the TB15 Plus can be found on our website.